In the bustling village of Meadowbrook, 3 boys, Rohan, Aryan, and Kabir, were the best of friends and notorious for their adventurous spirit. One evening, as they lounged under the village banyan tree, Aryan pulled out an old map he had found in his grandfather's attic. The map was faded but marked with a red X deep inside the infamous Whispering Woods. "This is a treasure map," Aryan declared, his eyes gleaming. "And we're going to find it." The others hesitated. Whispering Woods was no ordinary forest. People spoke of strange sounds, vanishing pathways, and eerie figures that watched from the shadows. But the lure of treasure was too tempting. By morning, the 3 boys had packed their bags and set off on their daring quest. The journey started with laughter and confidence. The map guided them past familiar streams and meadows until the forest loomed ahead. Tall, gnarled trees stretched toward the sky, their branches intertwining to block out the sun. The air was cooler, and the usual chatter of birds was replaced by an unsettling silence. They pressed on, following the map closely. But as they ventured deeper, the paths grew narrower, and strange whispers seemed to float on the breeze. It wasn't long before they realized they were completely lost. "This map doesn't make sense," Kabir complained, squinting at the parchment. "Maybe the treasure isn't real," Rohan muttered, doubt creeping into his voice. "Of course it's real," Aryan insisted. "We just need to keep going." Frustrated and tired, the boys began arguing. Suddenly, a rustling sound broke through the tension. They froze as a figure emerged from the shadows, a woman draped in a cloak of leaves. Her piercing green eyes seemed to see right through them. "You seek the treasure," she said in a voice that was both soft and commanding. "But you will not find it unless you prove yourselves worthy." "Worthy?" Rohan asked, stepping forward. "What does that mean?" The woman gestured to a nearby clearing, where 3 challenges awaited them, a riddle, a maze, and a locked chest with no visible key. "The treasure lies beyond," she explained. "But only those who work together can unlock its secret." Eager to prove themselves, the boys tackled the first challenge, a riddle etched into a stone tablet. They read it aloud. "I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I?" "A shadow," Rohan guessed. "No, a spirit," Aryan exclaimed. "Wait," Kabir interrupted. "It's an echo." The answer was correct, and the stone tablet shifted to reveal a path to the next challenge, a maze of tall, thorny hedges. Inside, they encountered dead ends, strange whispers, and moments of panic. But by calling out to each other and sticking together, they found the exit. Finally, they reached the locked chest. Exhausted but determined, they inspected it closely. "There's no keyhole," Rohan said. "How do we open it?" "Maybe it's a trick," Aryan said, running his fingers over the surface. "That's it," Kabir shouted. "It's not about a key. It's about teamwork." They placed their hands on the chest together. With a soft click, the lid creaked open, revealing not gold or jewels, but a single, glowing crystal. As they touched it, a warm light surrounded them, and the forest seemed to come alive with vibrant colors and cheerful sounds. The woman reappeared, smiling. "The real treasure," she said, "is the bond you share. This crystal is a symbol of your unity and courage. Guard it well." When they returned to the village, the boys were hailed as heroes, not for the material wealth they found, but for the incredible story they carried back. From that day forward, they were inseparable, their bond stronger than ever.